Hello friends, this is Praveen and today we are going to solve some important questions of the Math Olympiad. So friends, the first question we have is, we have given a diagram or a figure in which it is a rectangle ABCD and its AB, which is length, is 20 meter and its breadth, which is AD, is 10 meter. So we have to find the area of the shaded part. So how we can find? First we have to calculate the area of this rectangle, which we will get by 20 meter square multiply by 2, we get 40 meter square. So we get 40, and to get this area we will multiply 10 meter into 2 meter. So 10 meter square multiply by 2 we got 20 meter square. So the sum total, which is 40 meter square and the 20 meter square, we have is 60 meter square. As you can see friends, this portion is common in the both, which is of 2 meters. So to get this area, we will multiply 2 multiply by 2, which get 4. So minus 4 meter square, which is 56 meter square. So our answer is 56 meter square. What happens if it is asked to find out the area of the unshaded part, we have to minus from the total area. So what is the total area? 200 meter square multiplied by 200 meter, 20 meter multiplied by 10 meter, we have is 200 meter square minus 56 meter square, we got 144 meter square. So this is our area, which is 144 meter square is the area of the unshaded parts. So friends, let's move to the second question. And second question we have minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 divided by minus 1 multiplied by is 371 times is. So first we will solve this. Minus 1 multiplied by plus 1, the symbol is plus 1, and divide by minus 1, we got equals to minus 1. So minus 1 raised the power of how much? Minus 1 raised the power of 371. So now the answer depends on this sign. If it is in an odd number, so the answer would be negative, and if it is in an even number, the answer would be in positive. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we got always we got a minus 1. If there is odd number, so this is odd number, we got answer is equals to minus 1. If this 371 changes its value to 2, then its answer would be in the positive. But it is in the 371 times, so it is in the negative, minus or negative. Third question we have is 10 years ago, 5 times of my son's age is my age, and 20 years hence, 2 times of my son's age is equals to my age. Find my age. So in the first, let the person who is talking about be the age be x and the son's age be y. So person's age would be x minus 10 equals to 5 minus, because here is 5 minus y minus 10. So when it will come out of this, so 5y equals to 5 multiplied by y equals to 5y, and 5 multiplied by 10, here is 5y minus 50. So this becomes our equation. Now when this is in our in negative, and when it is go, it would be giving positive. So we get as a the minus 40 equals to, and this would come here, this would in positive, so it would come here in negative. So x minus 5y equals to minus 40. So let's keep this expression aside. X minus 5y equals to minus 40, and let's take the second expression, which is 20 years hence. So the hence means after. So the person's age would be the x plus 20, and the son's age would be 2y plus 20. So this would be the, here you will, it will become not, it would be plus 20, so it will 2, so it would be here a 40, which is 2y plus 40. So now when this would come here, then 2x minus y, 2y equals to plus and minus, plus and this is plus, we got as a 60, and when we will do here, we would got, so we got a 60, so 60 is our answer. So the present age of the man is 60, and his son's age would be not between, so it would be, son's age would be 30 years. So the man's age, person's age is equals to 60 years, and the son's age would be equals to 30 years. Then in the question number 4, we have is given a triangle, and these are the exterior angles. Find the value of the x. To find out the value of the x, we have two methods. So first see both. Method 1, method 2. First let's move to the method 2. In method 2, this is a given a triangle. We know that the angle sum property of which means the interior angle of a triangle and the exterior angle of triangle equals to 180 degree. So this angle which has 100 as exterior angles would have 80 as interior angle, and 110 this would have the 70 as an interior angle. So we have the 70 and 80. 70 plus 80 we got equals to 150 degree. And we know that angle sum property of the triangles is 180 degree. So minus 150 degree to get the value of the interior angle of x. So we get here interior angle as 30 degree, and so it would be the 180 minus 50, which means 150 is the degree we got. In the method 2, we know that the angle sum property of a triangle is 360 degree. So 100 plus 210, 110, we got 210. So minus from 360, we got 150 as the answer again. So in the both case we got the 150 answer. So 150 is the answer. So friends, let's move to the fifth question. Fifth question we have is a Venn diagram to represent the train, bus and the traveler. So friends, first we have to who learn about the similarities between the train and bus and the traveler. So train and the bus are two different things. So two different things, and traveler can use either for traveling. So here an option. He can. So this is our Venn diagram to represent the bus, train and traveler. So which is, this is our Venn diagram. In next question, we have to fill in the blanks. We have to find this value of that equals to. So friends, we have to create a pattern. It could be a clock, row wise, column wise, or even a diagonally. So friends, firstly, this type 5, then 8, which means plus 3, then plus 1. In this, not working, and even this not working. So let's see in this type. So 5 multiplied by 5, which we got 25. 25 multiplied by 5, which is 125. Which means this is a number, this is a square, and this is a cube of the number. So 8 square is 64 and cube is 512, whereas 9 square is 81. So our answer is 81. In the last 7th question, we have is find the ratio of the 5x plus 10 and the 14x minus 10. So for value of x, we can present any values. So let's present as a 5. So 5 adds a 25 plus 10, we got as a value of 30. And when we will do this, 5 14s, which would be 70. 70 minus 10, which is 60. So we write in a column wise 60, and which could be contained in a 5 table, which is 15 and 30, and can be contained in again 5, which would be 3 and so it would be again contained 3 and 6, and it could be again reduced by the 2 table, which is 3 table, which is 1:2. So the ratio between is 1:2 or the 2:1. So friends, today we solved some questions, important questions of the Olympiad. I hope that this question would be helpful to you to gain knowledge about the Math Olympiad. At the last, thanks for watching.